Hello and welcome to the Newless channel, and in this video we are going to fix hotspot or Wi-Fi not working issue on Samsung Galaxy M02 or M02s. So before starting this video, if you are new to this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and let's start our video without wasting any time. So if you are facing any issue regarding Wi-Fi or hotspot in M02 or M02s, first of all you just need to go to settings and then follow the step as I am showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue.